What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another John Drives video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Jonathan, and today we have a bit of a special video for you guys. So behind me back here is my grandmother's 1998 Toyota Camry. Now, I grew up in the back seat of this car, and today we have a little bit something special coming for it. My grandma bought this car new back in 1998. It has about 125,000 miles on it. It's been babied its entire life. The handbrake works in it. It's been a really good car to her, and recently she's handed over the keys. She's getting old age, and now she's passed it kind of along to me, kind of to be able to do what I want with it and kind of, you know, keep it around the house, take care of it, stuff like that. I thought it's time to have a little bit of fun with this thing, make a good video for you guys, and hopefully grandma doesn't get too upset with the outcome. So here she is, guys, the 98 grandmother's Camry. Let's go ahead, hop in it, get it warming up. So by the title of this video, you can probably tell kind of what I'm up to today. So the lunch tray sliding front wheel drive thing's been around for a while. The Hoonigans actually tested some other alternatives, and they found that cutting boards actually work very well. So I'm gonna go ahead, head out to Walmart, pick up some lunch trays if they have them, and cutting boards. And then I think I'm gonna head out to what I call the farmlands. It's like an area out in the middle of nowhere. There's not a whole lot of big open concrete lots, but there's a couple of wide intersections or whatever we can kind of slide around. I know that we most likely won't get in trouble. We'll see on that. I think Andy's gonna catch up with me out at the farmlands after I pick up the supplies at Walmart, and he's gonna help me film this video. I'm hoping it works pretty well. I'm looking forward to doing it. I know the handbrake works in this thing because my grandma never used it, so I've tested it and it works. Alrighty, so here's our setup. I got some cutting boards, and they didn't have lunch trays. I ended up getting these lids. Now these are gonna burn away super fast. I just kind of wanted to try it. So we were planning to do it along this big open like road right here, but there's so much dirt on it right now from this dump that we're actually gonna head down there a little bit. But since there's dirt on it, the handbrake in this Camry locks up. Let's do a little sliding.
There's a car.
I gotta watch the Civic.
Oh, he's getting it.
There's another car coming.
Oh.
Police comes, dude. I'm booking it. I'm out.
I'm hopping in the Camry.
I'm not sure if this thing's still insured. It's been a while. Dude, hop in the Camry. They don't suspect the Camry. Hey, let me pull over. Good? It felt pretty decent.
Oh yeah, that was good.
Full angle. I got a little greedy with the angle, bro.
Yeah.
Right, let's try those trays. Well, I think we're in a little bit more of an optimal spot right here. See, there's not really a whole lot of like ditch on the side, on this side, or on this. Just a little bit. Just a 2-lane road. It's a little bit kind of wide. It's a normal road. We're gonna give this a go. Sun's going down, hoping to beat that. Also, it's supposed to rain a little bit later. Hopefully we can beat that as well. Camry is doing good. She's killing the dirt. Let's grab those trays and get to sliding. All right, let me scoot up a little bit. Oh, this is gonna be funny.
Those aren't gonna...
Okay, I'll tell you when to roll forward.
These are gonna disappear in about 2 seconds.
I know, we're giving the lids a first try. I do have backups because they're super thin. Okay, and then we can move on to the cutting boards.
That's good.
It's time, boys. Put it all the way. Make sure it's up like. That's so weird.
They're gonna disappear. Yeah, that didn't last very long, did it?
We got these two kind of thin cutting boards from Walmart. They had a bigger size, but they only had one. So we're gonna roll with these. Let's toss them on the tires and let's see how she does.
All right, come up, John. That's good. Back up a little bit. That's good, right there.
Put it up really high, like up.
So what are you about to do, John?
We're gonna try out these cutting boards.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, you go up. This is so much fun.
Lost one.
You lost it.
You ready? Yeah. think you lost him.
Did you see that Manji?
Yes, I saw that.
That was sick.
That was a Manji of the
Why didn't we
century.
do this more often? Look at the line of the cutting board. Can you see that? Dude, you like to have to hit the brakes. When you hit the brakes, the backing gets light and just whoosh right around. That's sick. The cutting boards definitely lasted longer than the trays, but I'm not sure like. I mean, they're gone.
A thicker cutting board.
I think the
would
thicker ones would have lasted longer, but that lasted a decent
You know, it'd be.
while.
You know, what we could probably do. Just get sheets of Lexan.
Sheets of like just stack them up.
Yeah.
Dude, that'd be sick. Well, I mean, I got going pretty fast down there too.
Yeah.
So we'll just burn through them. Hey, your Civic's next.
I know, I want to do it.
P3 cutting board slide. Well, I'm glad that went pretty well and nothing happened to the Camry. My grandma probably wouldn't have been happy. The car lives to see another day. We'll probably end up doing this again. I ended up getting like the thinner cutting boards, so they didn't last quite as long as I wanted them to, and I only got one set. But now we know that the Camry can do cutting board donuts and sliding around. I ended up kind of monging back and forth through the road back there. It's really weird kind of sliding the front wheel drive car with like no grip in the rear. Definitely a fun time though. If you're new to the channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up. Help share the video and get the channel growing. So that is going to do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with the builds we got going on the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next one.